Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi 17 Pro and the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Today, we're diving deep into what sets these two flagship beasts apart. From dazzling displays and powerhouse chipsets to mind-blowing cameras and battery life, which phone truly dominates? Will Xiaomi's dual-screen innovation and massive 6300 mAh battery outshine Google's refined Glass Victus 2 design and AI-powered camera magic? And here's the kicker. With Xiaomi pushing boundaries in display tech and Google boasting revolutionary computational photography, which one deserves your hard-earned cash? Stay tuned, because this comparison might just change your mind on what a flagship should be. Starting with the display, the Xiaomi 17 Pro steals the spotlight with its unique secondary 2.7-inch LTPO AMOLED back display that not only dazzles with 3500 nits peak brightness, but also offers Dolby Vision and HDR Vivid on both screens. This dual display setup is a game-changer for multitasking and notifications, while the main 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED pushes an impressive 3500 nits peak brightness, far surpassing the Pixel 10 Pro's 3300 nits peak. The Xiaomi slightly higher screen-to-body ratio, around 89.5%, also means a more immersive viewing experience. This isn't just about size or resolution, it's about innovation and usability that Google's Pixel can't match. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 17 Pro packs the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, built on a 3nm process, delivering blazing CPU speeds up to 4.61 GHz and an Adreno 840 GPU for the ultimate gaming and multitasking performance. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro runs on Google's own Tensor G5, also 3nm, but with a different CPU architecture focusing on AI and efficiency. Xiaomi's chipset gives it a clear edge in raw power and graphics, making it the pick for those who crave sheer speed and performance. When it comes to cameras, both pack a 50MP main wide sensor with OIS, but Xiaomi's f1.7 lens paired with a larger 1.28 sensor and dual-pixel PDAF promises better low-light shots and sharper details. Plus, Xiaomi includes a 50MP periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom for stunning zoomed-in shots, whereas Pixel's telephoto is 48MP with a slightly narrower aperture. Video capabilities also favor Xiaomi, with HDR10+ and 10-bit Dolby Vision at 4K 6120fps and mind-blowing 720 at 1920fps slow motion. If you want versatility and video prowess, Xiaomi takes the crown here. Xiaomi's camera system goes beyond specs with Leica SumaLux optics, a laser AF, and a color spectrum sensor that enhances dynamic range up to 16.5 EV. Its magic backscreen adds a creative edge for photography, while the LightHunter 950L sensor ensures excellent low-light performance. Google counters with powerful AI-driven features like Pixel Shift, Ultra HDR, and ProRes Zoom up to 100x, plus real-time camera coach and intelligent object removal. The choice? Xiaomi's hardware precision or Google's AI wizardry, but Leica's proven optics give Xiaomi a slight edge for photography purists. In battery life, Xiaomi 17 Pro dominates with a massive 6300 mAh SiC Li-on battery, promising longer usage and endurance compared to the Pixel 10 Pro's 4870 mAh Li-on cell. This means fewer charging breaks and more freedom for power users and gamers alike. If longevity is your priority, Xiaomi's battery capacity is a clear win. On build quality, Google Pixel 10 Pro impresses with its ultra-durable Glass Victus 2 on both front and back paired with an aluminum frame, offering premium protection and a sleek feel. Xiaomi uses Dragon Crystal Glass front and fiberglass back with aluminum frame, which is innovative but arguably less premium feeling than Google's Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For those who want the most robust and refined build, Pixel 10 Pro takes the lead. Memory options show Xiaomi offering up to 1 terabyte storage with RAM variants from 12GB to 16GB, while Google sticks with 16GB RAM across the board, but starts at a smaller 128GB base. Xiaomi's flexibility in RAM and storage gives power users more customization and future-proofing, an important factor for heavy multitaskers and media hoarders. Both phones support ultra-wideband, but Xiaomi's Magic Backscreen and AI real-time translation stand out as unique practical features, while Google offers satellite SOS, Titan M2 security, and conversational photo editing with Magic Q. Xiaomi's vapor chamber cooling also ensures sustained performance under heavy load. So, do you prefer Xiaomi's innovative extras or Google's security and AI ecosystem? That's the final question you have to answer.